Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another wig that comes to us from YGwigs. It's going to be this really short pixie cut wig, and it is going to be in the color 99J. Now this wig is human hair. I will leave all the information for purchasing in the description box below. So this is the bag that it comes in. You do get a nice box. It does come with a couple of different goodies inside. So you're going to get a headband with it. You do get some clips with it, and they do give you a wig grip, and they also give you a comb for your edges. So I took it out of the bag and I saw the color, and I'll tell you guys, I love the color. This is a full wig. I do like that it is human hair. You do get a normal wig cap with a comb in the front, comb in the back, and you do get some adjustable straps. So this is no lace. So if you're someone who just don't like lace, you want some color, you want something that you can cut, taper, and do something to, this is going to be the wig for you. Everybody doesn't like lace, and I understand that. So with this one here, I didn't taper it or anything, but I want to go ahead and mention that ahead of time. You can take your clippers and you can literally make this wig your own and give yourself that 90s Halle Berry look, or something like that. What I did is I just used my comb and I raked it down, and I did a couple different just styles with it as far as with my fingers. So the first thing I did was just go in and I put some curls in it. As you can see, I just used my curling iron and I went in and I just put curls all over it, and I just wanted to add some volume to it because as you saw, it was just like kind of flat. So I went in, you know, brushed it and back and forth just to kind of get some volume. And then I wanted to go in and put a faux part in. I did go in with my flat iron again, and I just went on the side because I wanted, like I said, to make a faux part. And then I just started styling it with my fingers. That's the great thing about wigs like this, is you can give it some height, you can not give it height, you can put bangs in it, you know, you can taper it in the back, you can just do a couple different things with it. It's just totally up to you. If you guys are not following me on Instagram and on my other social medias like TikTok, make sure you guys are following me over there, because I do post pictures and I do post videos in these wigs, and sometimes I've switched them up. So right here, as I'm mentioning, I switched it up. I did add some mousse on it, and I wanted to give it a slick down pixie look. So if you wear your hair really flat, I was showing you here that you can slick it down and you can wear it really, really flat. Next thing is I'm going to go ahead and throw a hat on, and if you, like I said, are following me, you guys will see I also put a headband on this. So this will complete my review on this one. It's really cute, easy to wear. It's a no fuss wig, throw and go. I'll see you guys in my next video.